I was eager. I was high as fuck, tweaking.
Alright. It's hard. Everybody say these hard to crank up, but I just give it like, so when you hit cranking it, like give it like this much, like hold it right there. And then it should crank up. Like a little bit about right there. Work every time.
So what I gotta do when I let off? I gotta give it gas when I left the clutch, yeah.
Yeah, but don't gas it now,
Yeah,
but
yeah. Like.
Just slow down, like let it go. That's too fast. Like let it go hot, like if you gonna take off. Yeah, it gotta be kinda like that. But when you feel it, like so when you feel it trying to take off a little bit, you gotta do it slow, so you can feel it trying to take off.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And then when you feel it trying to take off, give it a little gas. It's probably harder because it's on the hill, to be honest.
Yeah.
You wanna go to the road?
I'm gonna get it off the hill though. That's what I'm really worried about, that motherfucker hill.
Hold it. What it is, YouTube? Man, first time on a dirt bike. This the first time on dirt bike?
This first time about
some years.
since I was legit, yeah.
Oh,
I'm 30 something now, so.
been a minute. I bust my goddamn back of my heel open on the goddamn transmission. I'm gonna show you one time?
Yeah.
Like how I do it? Alright. Cool. You just gotta like, alright, so say when you do start rolling, don't let the clutch auto go. So you gotta basically, like even when you still rolling, like even when it's taking off a little bit, still hold it all the way until you get enough momentum to let it all the way go. Cause if it's too slow while you letting it auto go, it's just gonna stall out.
Okay.
Get like a little gas when you taking off too. Oh. Oh. Hey, you straight?
Yeah, I'm straight.
Go on, I don't want you to hurt yourself, man. I don't want Jazz to be mad at me. Dang. You still want to try? Man, I don't want you to hurt yourself, man. I don't want you to embarrass yourself for the YouTube, man.
Oh no, hell no, that's good. I'm good right here. I got this. This is enough right here. Yeah, I tried. Nah, this is enough, dude.
Now I'm gonna try. So you can try again, but I'm gonna go up there. It's a big old field up there.
Yeah, cause I ain't.
Hey.
That's what I ain't used to right there.
Well, I thought you went in that tree. I thought you hit that tree.
Oh no, I seen the tree. That's why I started. I thought I was hitting the brake.
This ain't them jet ski, nah.
Yeah, it's different. It's that clutch. It's the main difference right there.
Yeah.
So shit. I ain't gonna lie, that shit. You gonna let you do that shit for real? Fuck that.
Ooh.